In April of this year, the former US President Barack Obama signed into the law to stop trading on congressional knowledge, which is designed to stop insider trading and required the US Congress members to disclose their equity trading activities within 45 days of transactions. Now, US lawmakers have to regularly disclose their trading activity to the public. During the last few months, the Speaker of the US House of Representatives, Nancy Pelosi, has been in the news after her trading activity created a buzz on social media. Let me tell you that her stock trades are carried out by her husband, and he made $5.3 million by exercising call options to let him buy 4,000 shares of Alphabet. What's up guys, welcome back to Glory Investing Show. In our today's video, I'm going to tell you what Nancy Pelosi is buying. Many people are admiring Nancy and look to copy the Pelosi family trades. According to a report published by Business Insider on September 25th of this year, in a recent TikTok video, an account called Quick Trades got 70,000 likes in a post focusing on trades by the Queen of Investing. Another account posted a TikTok saying, "Shouts out to Nancy Pelosi for the stock tips." And trading social media app Iris allows users to track Pelosi's disclosures. Ed Moya, a senior market analyst at trading platform Moanda, told Insider the new army of retail traders in the US are always looking for experts to mimic. Let me tell you that Moya said that new traders believe politicians have an insight into what will likely be a good stockpile. So, let's discuss what stock Nancy is currently buying. The first stock on the list is Roblox Corporation, which is a video game developer. Based in San Mateo, California, it was founded by David Baszucki and Eric Hassell back in the year 2004. It has since grown to one of the largest companies in the industry. Last year, the revenue of this company was $923.9 million. Reports suggest that Nancy purchased 10,000 shares of this company in March of this year. At that time, these shares were worth between $500,000 and $1 million. You might also want to note that the report that revealed these figures was signed by Nancy Pelosi herself. A report published by Yahoo Finance on October 22nd of this year states, at the end of the second quarter of 2021, 49 hedge funds in the database of Insider Monkey held stakes worth $4.9 billion in Roblox Corporation, up from 46 in the previous quarter worth $3.3 billion. Roblox Corporation is one of those stocks that attract the attention of elite investors. Currently, the price of Roblox Corporation stock is $124.23 per share, with a 52-week range of $115.81 to $126. And Yahoo Finance's recommendation rating for this stock is 2, which means it is a buy. Now, before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to Glory Investing Show and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any updates. Now, without further ado, let's continue. Next we have is Tesla, which is considered the leader of the EV market. I personally prefer investing in Tesla stocks. Reports suggest that Pelosi exercised 25 call options on Tesla stock worth between $500,000 and $1 million. And by the end of the second quarter of this year, 60 hedge funds in the database of Insider Monkey held stakes worth $9 billion in Tesla. Currently, the price of Tesla stock is $1,116 per share, with a 52-week range of $1,062 to $1,132. And Yahoo Finance's recommendation rating for the stock is 2.6, which means it is a buy. According to a report published by Investor Place, records show that on March 19th of this year, Pelosi exercised 2 call options on consumer technology giant Microsoft, 150 options with a strike price of $130 and 100 options with a $140 strike. Let me tell you that Microsoft has grown over 33% since the beginning of this year. Microsoft is one of those stocks that you buy for the long haul, and it indeed has room to grow. Just to give you an idea, Microsoft is working on the metaverse, which is the next big thing. Once the metaverse gets implemented, every company working in this industry will experience growth. So I would highly suggest that if you're looking to invest in a stock for long-term growth, invest in Microsoft stocks.
And enrich our lives.
Now we're going to be talking about the inventor of GPU. This American multinational tech giant designed graphics processing units for the gaming as well as professional markets, and system-on-a-chip units for the mobile computing and automotive market. In late July of this year, Nancy purchased 5,000 shares of NVIDIA. At that time, the worth of these stocks was between $500,000 and $1 million. Let me tell you that the GPUs of this company is at the intersection of a number of important computing trends such as the movement to the cloud, AI, autonomous vehicles, gaming and edge computing, etc. On November 9th of this year, it was reported that this company has created a framework for AI to learn physics. This AI framework provides engineers, scientists, and researchers with a customizable and easy-to-adopt physics-based toolkit to build neural network models of digital twins. At this time, the recommendation rating of Yahoo Finance for this stock is 1.9, which means it is a buy. The company's stocks is valued at $326.74 with a 52-week range of $115.6 to $346.47. You might also want to note that the annual dividend yield on this stock is 0.05%. And now, who doesn't know about Netflix? This American subscription streaming service and production company started back in the year 1997 and is now one of the key players in the industry. It offers a library of films and television series through distribution deals and its own production called Netflix Originals. The company earned a revenue of $25 billion in 2020, and the operating income of Netflix in 2020 was $4.585 billion. During the said time, the net income of the company was $2.761 billion. Reports published in October of this year suggest that Netflix has more than 214 million subscribers across the globe. 74 million of these subscribers are in the US and Canada. Currently, the price of Netflix stock is $658.29 per share, with a 52-week range of $651.10 to $661.44. Here, it is important to note that Yahoo Finance's recommendation rating for this stock is 2, which means it is a buy. The report published by Yahoo Finance states, a financial disclosure report suggests that Pelosi exercised 50 call options, 5,000 shares, on Netflix Incorporated shares in June 2020 at a strike price of $250. The report is dated July 2020 and signed by Pelosi herself. With that being said, let's talk about our next stock that Nancy Pelosi has invested in. This American multinational company operates an online payment system in the majority of countries that support online money transfers. This year, the company was ranked number 134 on the Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by revenue. In 2020, the company earned a revenue of $21.45 billion, while the operating income of PayPal was $3.29 billion. And in 2019, the net income of this company was $51.333 billion. It is important to note that Nancy purchased 5,000 shares of PayPal holdings in June 2020. And a report published by Investor Place indicates that she made 3 separate transactions in June 2020. The report states, she must have reasoned that cashless transactions, a long-time trend even before the pandemic, would accelerate with such magnitude that it would become the go-to standard even for small mom-and-pop businesses. And innovative firms like PayPal have been making this transition earlier, inspiring the bullish case for its equity unit. So far, this narrative has proven successful, with PayPal up 14% year to date. At this time, the price of PayPal stock is $188.71, and Yahoo Finance's recommendation rating for the stock is 1.8, which means it is a buy. Well, that would be all for today's video, and thank you for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed to Glory Investing Show, subscribe to it and press the bell button so you will be notified each time we upload an interesting video on this channel. And while you're here, click to watch one of these 2 videos that are appearing on your screen. We'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.